Spelling of character. The spelling of the word character is CHARACTER. Okay, so look at the syllable that this word has. It has three syllables. CHAR, this is one syllable. AC, this is second syllable. Then TER. Actually, looking at the syllable doesn't help our brain to memorize the spelling of the word character. So let me help you more so that you can remember. Okay, look, in the word character, the challenging part is RAC. The challenging part actually ACT. C is RAC, character TER. You can easily memorize, but ACT is a difficult part. So how to remember that? In character, look, character has actor inside. Say it twice or three times. Actor, from actor you can consider ACT, right? Actor has a character, we say. So ACT, actor. So ACT, if you can remember like this, character has actor inside it. So ACT you can easily remember, and at the end we are adding ER. Okay, here are more help. Look, compare with charcoal. Charcoal, the first part, look, says here. Charcoal, charisma. Okay, then characteristic. Characteristic. So this word are starting with char. Says here. Character. So spelling of character. In character we have actor. ACT or just EL right here. Okay. Then charcoal, charisma. So CHAR, charcoal, right? So spelling of character now you can memorize.